Hi guys, welcome to Kids Can Cook Kitchen. My name is Chef Jayden. So today we're going to cook stir-fried noodles. So the first thing we're going to do, we take a cup of water, we pour inside. Now we turn on, we start the heat. So while the water is boiling, we're going to come here and start cutting our vegetables into strips. Now we put the noodles inside here, inside the boiling water. We take our seasoning, we add it inside. Now we let it boil for 3 minutes. Now we come and cut the chicken into strips. So now when you're done, we put our things aside. Now we check on the noodles. We stir the noodles. So we heat our pan. So after heating our pan, we come and put some oil. So after putting some oil, we let it heat. So after that, after it gets heated, we come and put our chicken. Then we add some soy sauce, then our vegetables, And now we add the noodles and we stir. Now, when the oil is hot, now we can put the chicken. We come and add the soy sauce. Now we come and add the vegetables. After adding the vegetables, we come and add the noodles now. Now increase the heat. Now after 3 minutes, the noodles will be ready to be served. So now our stir-fried noodles is ready. So now we come and serve. So now we come and taste. It's yummy. My name is Jayden, Chef Jayden, and I am in grade 4 and I am 9 years old. And it's true that kids can cook. Bye.